This is Darius from therabbitpad.com, and in this video, I'm going to show you how you can add emojis to your texts in macOS. To add emojis to anything that you're typing in macOS, what you want to do is you want to click on Edit inside of any program, then select Emoji and Symbols. You can also use this keyboard shortcut function E. Click on that and you will get this box with all of the emojis available for use. So you can choose from smileys and people, or you can click on other categories to scroll down to see those specific emojis. And you can also insert other symbols such as different types of arrows, bullets and stars, currency symbols, parentheses, math symbols, etc. Then once you have selected the emoji you want to use, double click on that, and then it will be inserted into whatever text box that you placed it. So here I put it inside of Google. So this is what Google thinks I want to search for, or what is trending when I put a smile emoji into that box. I'll give you an example of using this in Microsoft Excel because I said that this is available in pretty much every app. Once again, go to Edit, then select Emoji and Symbols, and then select your emoji. So if I want to pick this one, I will double click on that, and now that emoji is inside of my document in Microsoft Word. So this video shows you how to insert emojis when using macOS. If you found this video helpful, please click that like button and subscribe to this channel to view more helpful videos in the future. Also, please be sure to visit my website at therabbitpad.com.